Pelton the Protector here today. In 2025, hackers stole a total of $3.4 billion worth of crypto. That's billion with a B. And here's the crazy part is most of that could have been prevented with just one simple device that takes about 5 minutes to set up. And I'm going to show you that here today. And I'm not here to scare you, but if you own any crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoin, whatever, XRP, you need to hear this. That $3.4 billion number comes from chain analysis. It's real money from real people like you and me. It's hard enough losing money when the crypto markets go down. You know, the markets are down right now. It can be painful if you have money in crypto, but this is actual theft. This is people getting access to your crypto and taking it for themselves. And, you know, if money's stolen out of your bank, you call the bank and they work something out. They get you your money back. With crypto, there's no one to call. Maybe they clicked on a fake MetaMask pop-up or they got their phone SIM swapped or whatever the case might be. This is just money that's gone and there's really no way to get it back. So we want to keep our crypto safe. So what's the solution? The answer is a hardware wallet. And before you say, hey, that sounds kind of complicated, I don't want to mess around with that. OneKey, you're right. A lot of hardware wallets are very difficult to set up. This one is cool and very easy to work with, very easy to set up. But a hardware wallet keeps your private keys on here. So on this little device that never touches the internet. So it's air gapped. Means it's not connected to the internet. So think of it as like a safe for your house, but it holds your crypto. That's how you can kind of think about it. So when you want to make a transaction, you connect this to your computer, make the transaction, approve it on the device, and then unplug it. So basically no one is able to make transactions without this device. So, and OneKey sent me two devices, two hardware wallets. I'm going to keep one. Is that selfish? Let me know in the comments. I have several hardware wallets, but I like to have different wallets on different hardware devices. So I am going to be using this, but they gave me a second one that I can give away to my audience. So we'll have details on that soon. But if you're needing a hardware wallet, I'm giving one away to my audience here. But what I mainly like about OneKey opposed to I've used Trezor, I've used Ledger. Shout out to you guys. If you're watching this, I appreciate what you've done for the crypto community, but this is way cooler and it's way easier to set up. But the OneKey Pro is really pretty. It's really cool. I mean, it's almost like having another iPhone with you. It's really cool. The OneKey Classic is a bit cheaper, has physical buttons, but still, they're both going to work the same way. It's just maybe not quite as cool. Another thing I like about this is it is properly air gapped. So some hardware wallets will have Bluetooth or Wi-Fi or some other wireless communication. That's not what you want. I want it where I have to plug this device in for it to have any access to anything. So, and let me just quickly, I'll do this super fast. It's very easy, but walk you through. If you get one of these and are wanting to set it up from scratch, I'll just show you how easy it is. So basically the two things, you get the device and you also get a recovery sheet. So as you guys might know, your Bitcoin wallet, there's recovery words. So there's basically words associated with your wallet. And if you lose this device, your words are what would get you access on, you could hook it up to a different device somewhere. If you lose your words, you've lost your wallet, okay? That's essentially how it works. Some people memorize their words. My brain cannot do that. I write them down and I keep them in a super secure place that you'll never know. But real briefly, you pick your language, create a new wallet. You can choose, this is the most ineffective way of doing this, but you can use 12, 18, or 24 based on how secure you want to be, but also more words means you have to write more words down. One problem I have is my penmanship. I have wallets where I've had trouble accessing because I couldn't read my writing when I wrote down the recovery phrase. I'm just going to do 12 words for this. You can set up a PIN on the device. So even if somebody steals your device, they still can't get access to it. You can set up your fingerprint. Then people have to cut off your thumb if they want access to it. Then they give you your recovery phrase. Oh, you thought I was going to show it to you. No, you don't want anyone to know your recovery phrase. If anyone ever asks for your recovery words, they are trying to scam you. If you get a WhatsApp from James Pelton and the phone number has, a Syrian, I'm not trying to be racist or anything. I don't know whatever country scammers might be from. If it's not a United States area code, if even me asks you, hey, what's your recovery phrase? I want to give you $500 or something. Don't give them recovery phrase. They're scamming you. So, but you get your words, you write them down in your little sheet. then OneKey actually has you go through word by word to make sure you didn't miswrite anything down. Again, this is important. So then you're pretty much done. You can download the app on your phone if you want to, but you get a Bitcoin address, and this is the public address. So this is now my Bitcoin wallet, and it's set up and it's ready to go. It takes all of 45 seconds. Even if you're not a tech person, I bet it would take you a minute and 30 seconds. Let me know in the comments how long it took you to set up yours. But then I can get my crypto, get it off of Coinbase, get it off of Binance, get it onto this hardware wallet. So, and again, OneKey gave me the classic to give away to my audience. So like, subscribe, comment, security. That's the secret word to make sure I know you watched the video to this point. Comment security. And in 5 days from when I record this video, I will pick a winner. I'll get your shipping information. I will ship you this OneKey Classic. So appreciate you guys very much. If you're watching this and are not a subscriber, what would I need to do for you to subscribe? It might be a vanity number, but I just like seeing the subscriber count go up. Makes me happy. So hit subscribe. Check out, I'll leave a link down for OneKey. Again, you can get the Pro, you can get the Classic, you can get the Pure, the Key Tag, the Lite. Appreciate you guys watching very much. Let me know in the comments down below. You want me to cover anything else? Let me know. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.